How to download Google Play Store apps on your PC. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily download apps from Google Play Store on your PC. It's quite easy, so let's just jump right in. In order to be able to download apps from Google Play Store on your PC, you need something called an Android emulator, which will emulate your Android device. So what you basically have to do is download this emulator called BlueStacks and search for BlueStacks download on your PC or any other web browser. Go ahead and click on the first link that you see. Click on this big blue download button and it will download the installation file on your device. Once the installation file is downloaded, you need to just go ahead and open it up, and then it will automatically open BlueStacks from here. So I already have BlueStacks on my PC, so I'm just going to quickly open it up. And once you open up BlueStacks, your home screen should look something like this. The trending game will be here on the loading page, and you just need to wait for a bit. Now you need to go ahead and open up the app manager or the app player right over here. To just wait for it to start completely first. Once your app player opens up, you can just make this full screen by tapping on this maximize button, and then from here it will take you directly to the BlueStacks app store where you can search for games and stuff. And if you just click on this home button over here, you'll be taken directly over to the home screen. As you can see here, this right here is the home screen and it already has Google Play Store over here. You can see the Play Store logo. And if you go into the system apps over here, you can just go ahead and open up the system apps. So let me just go to the home screen first. And then from here, you want to go ahead and tap on the folder icon right here on system apps. And then it will open up the system apps. You can find Play Store inside here. Just go ahead and tap on it to open up Play Store. And once Play Store opens up, it will ask you to sign in, and once you sign into your account, you can download any apps you want from your Play Store. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.